I think a great example of how we brought about the idea process and brought it to life with a client was somebody that we worked with in the tech repair industry. We met with them a few years ago, kind of a new opportunity for us. We immersed ourselves in their business, defined kind of what their expectations, what their goals were as an organization, and then when we executed the game plan, we did so with kind of that corporate vision in mind, but since it was a franchise or a decentralized business, we also executed with the expectations that we needed to help improve the performance at that local franchisee level. And so kind of marrying the two between that corporate vision and then executing on the local level is what made that partnership a big success.